And good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. I'm meteorologist Mike Javer. I know this video is coming out a little later than I wanted to, so I apologize for that. However, today's forecast is looking pretty good for the most part. A nice mix of some clouds and sun, with temperatures in the low to mid 70s with up to 80 degrees near Philadelphia today. There is a slight chance of a rain shower, especially across portions of central PA, and I'll explain why in just a moment here. And that's because we have this weaker upper level low kind of just spinning over New York here, and it's associated with those X's, which is positive vorticity, which basically means that there's a little bit more atmospheric spin, a little bit more rising motion in these areas. So couldn't rule out completely a chance of a shower or two across central PA this afternoon. Eastern PA should remain dry through today and tomorrow. Kind of the same deal tomorrow as the cold front begins to move slightly closer to us. It will stay a little bit on the warmer side. It will be dry tomorrow, but as we get into Thursday, you could kind of see that cold front pushing off that upper level low across the border into Canada there, but it's carrying the stronger cold front Thursday into Friday, and the highest chance of precipitation throughout the week today will be Thursday night into Friday morning. But then, as you can see here, we have most of that rain should be through Friday morning. But then as we go into Saturday, you'll kind of see another front move through associated with that upper level low. And this is what we like to call a reinforcing cold front. This will help to bring in some of that cooler air back into the region, especially for the end of the weekend. So that'll probably put us back into the 60s to end the weekend next week. But that's just something to keep an eye on. Overall, it's pretty quiet today, pretty quiet tomorrow. Thursday, Friday, watch out for that cold front, some showers and storms. Saturday, chance for some isolated showers from a reinforcing cold front and that upper level low still hanging around to the north. I just wanted to talk about a couple things before I get off of the video for today. I just want to say for the Northern Lights last night, the show was actually a little bit weaker than first anticipated. I believe it only got up to G2. I could be wrong. I'll have to double check on that. But most of the BZ field was north, which means it was directed at Earth. But what we really need to see Northern Lights is they need to be directed away from the Earth. So we really need a BZ field that's to the south. But most of it was to the north. I know some people saw some faint color, which is good, but overall the magnitude of the event wasn't very great. Another thing is the website update. It is going to be released today, probably around 5 o'clock this afternoon. I do have some things to get done. I do have some things to clean up with the page, or I should say with the website today. But 4 to 5 p.m. I'm aiming for, and I will share the page. It's going to be a little bit more basic to start, but again, I will add more as we go along, as I got to start working on maps for PA Weather Academy today. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and I'll see you tomorrow for the video forecast. I'm meteorologist Mike Javer.